Hello, and welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on how to create YouTube chapters and automate your editing workflow inside Premiere Pro from scratch. I'll be using the AI Assistant inside Marker's Command Center to generate chapters, export specific clips, and automate timeline edits. For our first example, I have a review of the Google Pixel fold on my timeline. First, I need to transcribe this sequence. I'll go to the text panel and generate a static transcript. Once it's generated in a few seconds, I'll export that transcript to my hard drive. Now, let's go over to Marker's Command Center. In version 1.8, we introduced a powerful new feature, the ability to attach files directly to the AI Assistant. I'll click this new attachment button and select the transcript we just exported. Now that my transcript is attached, I'm going to write my command. A great tip here. You can use Control or Command on a Mac with the up and down arrows to quickly go through your previously used prompts. I'll cycle back to this prompt, analyze the attached script, and create YouTube chapters markers based on the context. Before we continue, I want to show you another new option in version 1.8. You can now change the input font size. If you found the text too small in previous versions, you can just go into Settings, change the font size to something like 14, and hit Save. Much better. Now, let's hit Ask. The LLM is analyzing the transcript and will instantly create sequence markers directly on our timeline. And there they are. Introduction, Pixel Philosophy, Re-engineered hinges, and so on. Let's play through a few to see how accurate they are.
So hear me out. The idea of a pixel is very specific. Like we've seen it for the past couple years now. It's a So pixel and folding phone are like opposites. They're at odds with each other. The biggest change versus last year's Pixel Fold, no joke, is the new hinge. It's been re-engineered so
the AI understood the context perfectly. If you just wanted YouTube chapters, you're already done. Just click the Copy YouTube Chapters button at the bottom of the panel, go to your notepad or YouTube description, and paste. It's really that easy. But we can do a lot more. Let's say I want to extend the duration of each of these markers so they touch the next one, covering the whole chapter. Instead of doing this manually, I'll select all the markers and ask the AI, extend the duration of each marker to reach the time code of the next marker. The last marker should be extended to the end of the timeline. And just like that, our markers now have the intended duration. For the last one, which the assistant couldn't extend, I'll extend it manually by pressing Alt and drag. Now, what if you want to export specific chunks of this video as standalone clips for the internet? Select the chapter markers you want to render and click the new Export Clips button. I'll choose the MP4 format and the YouTube 1080p Full HD preset. I also want these clips brought back into Premiere, so I'll check Import to Project and hit Export. MCC instantly launches Adobe Media Encoder and queues up every selected chapter for rendering. Once they finish rendering, MCC automatically creates a dedicated Export Clips folder right in your project bin, with all your rendered chunks neatly organized. What if you are working with a language that Premiere Pro doesn't fully support yet, like Arabic, Turkish, or Persian? For this, I use another tool called Transcript Converter. It connects to external services like 11 Labs to generate highly accurate JSON transcripts. Let's select Arabic sequence in the project panel. Go back to Transcript Converter and press Transcribe. When Transcript Converter finishes processing, a JSON script file will be created. We will attach that transcript directly in Marker's Command Center, just like before. I'll run the same command to create YouTube chapters. The AI did a great job, but it named the chapters in a mix of Arabic and English. No problem. I'll just ask the AI, remove English from the names keeping only Arabic. Instantly, it cleans them up. Now all you have to do is press Copy YouTube Chapters, and it's done. Let's head back to our Pixel review. Say I have an 8-minute clip, and I want to quickly cut it down to the most essential parts. I'll attach the transcript and tell the AI, go through this transcript and remove parts that are not essential. I need to remove 2 minutes. The AI intelligently adds markers on parts that it deems unnecessary. If you look at the comments column, the AI actually leaves notes explaining its reasoning. Like, remove repetitive screen-on-time breakdown. In MCC 1.8, we've added the duration column. It shows the exact duration of each marker, making it easy to see how much time you'll save before removing a section. Now, we have our essential markers. If we want to cut the video based on these markers, we can use the Add Edit button to slice the timeline. I will undo the Add Edit command. In version 1.8, if you hold Control or Command while clicking the Add Edit button, it will automatically create cuts at both the start and end of every marker's duration. Finally, let's use the new Select Clips feature. With our marker selected, I'll click this button to automatically select all the video clips directly beneath them. Now all I have to do is to press Shift+Delete to ripple delete selected parts. Just like that, we've instantly cut out the fluff, taking an 8-minute video down to a tight 6 minutes. And that is how Marker's Command Center can completely automate your YouTube chaptering and rough cut workflows. Get Marker's Command Center now at aescripts.com.